Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm doing this spooky Halloween look using Makartt's products. So if you're interested to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by just throwing my code on screen. I do have a 15% off code and also showing you guys some of the products I'm using. I didn't use all of these products because I just wanted to keep it a little bit more simple, but I'm kind of showing you pretty much what I received in the Makartt Spooky Nail Lab box. So yeah, this is pretty much everything that I got in there except this white. This is like the normal white that didn't come in the kit, but I wanted to use it. So I'm using my flexi hand and I've pre-applied my tips and I'm going straight in with Cosmic Black, I think. A really nice black glitter with nice orange, gold, red and silver, like really fine pieces of glitter in there. And I'm also using my good old base coat today. I thought I'd go back to using base coat rather than my slip. So as you can see, this polygel is really easy to move around. I was able to do this set pretty quick. I did a set already with these products, but it was a bit more of like a complicated kind of set, which I've already posted on my YouTube, so I will link that down below. And I wanted to do another one, kind of making it a little bit more simple, something that most people should be able to do and try out. So that's pretty much what I'm doing in this video, just basically doing an overlay of all the polygels that I kind of chose for the Halloween look, and then going over with some cute stickers again from Makartt. And yeah, I just really like how this kind of look came together as I was doing it. And also the nails that I currently have on, yes, I know I'm kind of due for a fill, so I do need to do those. I might film that, so we'll see. And the tips are from, I believe they are from a company from Amazon. I don't remember their name. It's like Lofua Forest or something like that. I will link it down below, and hopefully I can find them because it's kind of like been a while. So yeah, hopefully I should be able to find them. If not, I will link an alternative. And the brush I'm using is also from Makartt, and the base coat I'm using is also from Makartt. And this polygel is really pretty. It just, I don't know, it just reminded me of like jam, and it just made me really hungry at the time. But yeah, this red polygel is super pretty, and I probably will use this to do like nice Christmas looks as well. This is like a really nice glittery reddish shade for that kind of season, which is really close actually, now that I think about it. And yeah, really liking these products, by the way. They're not as hard as they were in the first video that I did. I feel like they just kind of warmed up to my room temperature a little bit, and they were a lot softer to use this time around. So yeah, I'm not really bothering to prep these nails either because they are just on my fake flexi hand. So I will just be pulling these straight out afterwards. I don't really feel like I need to prep, but if you were to prep, you would tidy up the cuticle area. You could do this with a hand file or an e-file. I love the Makartt JD700 e-file. It's the one I've been using for super long now, and you can get it on their website. It's a really good nail file. And then you would kind of buff the surface of the natural nail plate and then stick on your tips. And yeah, that's pretty much how I would prep, and it's pretty much how I prep. And it's really quick, nothing too complicated. Of course, I do change out my sets quite often just because I love having a new set each time. So again, the way in which I prep is not too thorough. So yeah, just because I know I'm going to be popping them off probably soon. Although I have had this set on for a while. It's like a black drip nail on like a hot pink background, and then I did like a cute spider web, and I really like these nails. I've had them on for a while. I think that's because I just like them so much. So yeah, and now onto the design. I did cure these for 60 seconds and I did file and buff and wiped away the dust and all that good stuff. So I'm doing a cute like blood nail, and I really like how this turned out. Like I was really obsessed with it. So I'm using a really skinny straw. I tried this with a fat straw and yeah, it got really messy and it kind of just ended up covering the whole nail. So try to use a skinny straw for this, and you basically want to fill up one end with your red gel polish. Here I'm using the Awesome Color gel polish from McCart, and you just want to blow gently. First you want to blow gently, and then you want to go in again with some more product. Just kind of scrape what's off on the brush into the little hole of the straw. And in the second time round, I'm putting in a lot more product because this is going to be like a fat kind of splat of blood. So then you want to blow a little harder, and then you get like these nice thick juicy dispersed lines. And then yeah, that's pretty much what I did. I just thought this looks so cool. So then you want to start off small, and then you can also add more, and then it just creates like this nice kind of like mixture of thin and thick lines. So yeah, you can also go in with your brush after and add in blobs of blood if you want to. I didn't do that because I just loved how perfectly these came out. And yeah, was really happy with that. Cured that for 60 seconds. Now I'm just finishing off the nails with some stickers. I really like these stickers and they stuck super well. They weren't like popping off or anything. So yeah, I really like them. Because I did use a nice dark background, I tried to go for more of like the brighter stickers and like some of the white ones as well. So that they show up more, because I kind of tried on like one of those really black bat stickers. I really wanted to do a bat, but it wouldn't work against a black background. I feel like you just couldn't see it. So I'm adding more of these lighter ones against a dark background, and I love how these just like really pop. I really like these. I did also accidentally get some red gel polish on the middle finger, but I just thought I'd leave that there because I don't know, I thought it looked cool, so I just left it there. And doing the straw method does get messy, so have some paper, like tissue paper underneath. Actually, I think that would be much better and easier to clean up. And here I am adding some ghosts. I really like the idea of like the upside down ghost. I thought that was so cute and I didn't notice it until now, so definitely adding some of those. And that is pretty much for the look. And now I'm just going in with the McCart top coat, I believe. And actually I'm not sure this is the McCart top coat, actually it might be, but McCart does an amazing top coat too. And you just want to top coat that off. And don't forget, you can use my discount code Kamin, not Kamin, Nails by Kamin for 15% off. I will link it in the description box down below. And this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is definitely more of like a simple look. I feel like a lot of people could do. You don't even need the gel polish. You could definitely just switch it out for some red gel polish and then maybe go over with some glitter, or just leave it as your red. So I feel like this is just a much simpler one that can be worn for Halloween, and I really like these. I might do some blood splat nails actually on my nails as well after this video. So yeah, I might record that because I'm kind of obsessed with how beautiful the red blood looks. So this is pretty much for this look. Again, that's my discount code on screen. Do enjoy yourself some 15% off on the McCart website. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really love how these turn out. Thank you for McCart for sending me these products. And yeah, let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.